Okay guys, so I recently received a Radiance Spin Care system from Duvolle. So I've never used a spin brush on my face before. So we'll see how this goes. This is a review video. So I don't know how you review something that you never used because I don't have anything to compare it to, but I can give you, my thoughts on it if you like. But yeah, so let me open it up. This is how it comes, and it comes with 4 brush heads, and I'm gonna give you the heads now. So we're gonna read the instructions because, like I said, I've never used a spin brush on my face before. All I use normally is on my hands. I have like a makeup cleansing washcloth or exfoliating gloves, but sometimes those are too rough. Anyway, all right, Radiance Spin Care System. Introduction. The Radiance Spin Care System is a waterproof unit which is ideal for use in the shower. It includes 4 interchangeable brush attachments: a large body brush, facial cleansing brush, facial exfoliation brush, and pumice stone. And it shows you which one is the cleansing brush, exfoliation brush, the pumice stone, body brush, and the unit. Preparing the unit for usage. Insert the battery to avoid possible shock, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Using the unit, you may want to use a headband to keep your hair away from your face. I got about 2 inches of hair. Well, let me see. 3. I got about 3 inches of hair. Who need a headband? I'm gonna shampoo this mess anyway. I just took out my wig braids. So I'm getting ready to shampoo my hair anyway. So won't need anything pulling my hair back out my face. I don't have any falling in my face. You feel me? So exfoliation brush is giving you, what each brush is used for. Like I said, I'm new to this. Y'all true to this. If you're watching this video and you know what to do, I'm sorry. Skip forward maybe about 60 seconds and, I'll get to it. All right, the exfoliation brush. The exfoliation brush is made of very soft bristles, especially designed for tender facial skin. For best results, be sure to wash your face prior to treatment to ensure your skin is free of any residue. The body brush. The large body brush can be used on the hands and body. Apply soap or cleanser on hands and body, then gently move brush on your skin in circular motion. Facial cleansing brush. The facial cleansing brush gently removes excess dirt and makeup residue from your skin. It's great use prior to exfoliation. And the pumice stone for rough skin. Prior use, immerse your foot in warm water, then warm water for 10 to 15 minutes, then wipe dry. Apply pumice on. Am I saying it right? Pumice. It just sounds better. Pumice. Apply pumice on foot and move in circles. During rotation, pumice efficiently removes hard cells at elbows or underfoot. The pumice stone attachment should never be used on the face. Okay, so they gave you attachment that you don't use in your face. So it's a total body. From head to toe, you can use this one system, which is pretty cool. I'm not gonna try the whole system. I'm just gonna, work on my face. Okay, let's start with the face. So I may get a lot of flack because your girl cleansed her face with soap, bar soap. Always has. I tried something else and guess what? Skin went crazy. Let me go get my soap. I'll be right back. This is the soap your girl used. Dial Gold. This is the only one I use on my face. You know what? Tell me your comments. I was going to say keep them to yourself, but tell them to me. That's fine. I know what works for me. So, let me give me a fresh bar of my soap with my face. Oh, let me put some batteries in this thing. I'll be right back. All right, let's see. Okay. We got action. We got action. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna use the cleansing brush. This is the cleansing brush. Just snap it on. Okay, it's cute or whatever. Let's see how this goes. Okay, so I don't know what my tone is. I'm gonna let y'all know now. I looked high and low for my skin toner. I cannot find it. I can't find it, so I ain't gonna use it. Sorry. Anyway, I'm sure I'll do another video with this thing. But so, I'm gonna wet my face with my bar of soap. Judge me if you must. This how much I care. Hold on. This how much I care. Yep, that's how much I care. Okay. So I was just about to wash my face with my hands. Put that soap on the breast. This breast is so soft. I almost feel like I'm using a handheld blender to do some cake mix. Okay, I think that's good enough. I do wash my neck, but I'm taking the shower, so I ain't gonna wash the whole thing. I'm just letting this water run. That's so trifling, me letting this water run. I'm sorry. Please forgive me, y'all, because I know I'm gonna do that. It's trifling. Okay, this ain't feel so good. I'm just, anyway. And then there's some space. Let me rinse this off. Well, my face feels so soft. Oh my God. Ugh. My face feels like so soft. Like seriously. Well, that's my face being cleansed with the brush. This is what the brush looks like. I guess it's mixed with like the color of the soap plus the dirt that was in my skin, I'm guessing. I'm gonna rinse the brush off. This is what the brush look like after my face has been cleaned with it. Yeah. This is what it looks like after it's been rinsed back off. So, but anyway, I will I think I'm gonna show y'all how my nightly skincare routine. So I'm gonna jump in the shower. I gotta shampoo my hair. I'll be back because I'm probably gonna, you know, once I lather my body, I'm probably gonna lather my face again. It's a habit. But yeah, well, my reviews on it, I guess so far so good. It's like I said, it's my first time using it. It felt really, really good on the skin. I think I'm gonna use the little stone for my foot. I might use that in the shower tonight, so I'm gonna see how that go. I'll give you an update. Like I said, I've never used anything like this before, so I'll let you know if I have a reaction to it or whatever. But so far so good. I love it. Thank you so much, Duvolle, for sending me the Radiant Skincare brush. I do have a coupon code for you guys if you want to order it, and I will link it in the description bar, the description box. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You will be seeing more of me. I know I've been like, I'm not gonna say MIA, but I haven't really done any videos like this, really. So you will be seeing more of these type of videos with products that are being sent to me. A lot of people have reached out to me about doing reviews for their products. And I haven't really been accepting a lot because I haven't really been posting a lot of videos. But now I'm finna get back in the groove. My life is now, you know, taking a turn for the better, I say. So yeah, I will be doing more videos like this. So if you have a product that you want me to review, I will leave my email in the description bar as well. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you so much, Duvolle. See you in the next video. Bye. I really like it. I can't wait to use it more, to bring this into my nightly routine. So there will be more videos of me doing nightly routines, me doing get ready with me's. I'll have a fall haul coming up soon, a fall try on haul at that, plus size fall try on haul, plus size fall try on haul. That was cute. Anyway, so I have a lot of things coming. Me and my daughters, I'm newly single mother, and me and my daughters have our we have a new channel, and I will link the box below. We posted our first video when I allowed my children to get parts of the pieces of a section of their hair cut off. But check that video out. It's a really cool video. And then we got more videos coming up, me and my daughter's channel. But yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. I will be doing more videos like this. I say a lot. I will be doing more videos like this. I'm trying to keep my mouth closed and I say Stay tuned for the next one. I'll catch you in the next video. Thank y'all for watching. Bye-bye.